Blue Sharp 59's channel here. I want to talk about rock chips, windshield rock chips. How to stop a rock chip from spreading into a big crack. In other words, when you get a rock chip, if you just leave it alone, usually it'll crack in the wintertime, or when you hit bumps, it'll keep spreading. Then you got to get a whole new window. Well, for $2, $1.99 for the super glue and the razor blade, whatever, you can find a razor blade at just about any hardware store for dirt cheap. You can stop that crack from spreading and seal it off. Rock chip we're going to treat today, right there. It's a pretty good one, so. All right. Now we're going to add the super glue to the crack, or to the web here. We're going to fill this in. Whoop. I kind of overdid it there, a little overkill, but don't worry about it. Watch, it comes out fast. See, I'm filling this in now. And you can take the blade and bring it back up if you want to get more on there. Like this. You can bring the blade up, overlap it again. But you want to keep that, the glue on that crack. All right, or that chip. There you go. Now let that dry for a while. You got to cover. If there's any small cracks, you got to get you want the glue to cover all the cracks, the chip hole, and then the cracks around it. As long as you get a layer of glue on there, and just kind of dab it up in the middle where the chip is, right there. You know, you kind of build it up like right in the center of the chip there, and let it dry. It's been drying for about an hour. Now you want to use a fresh blade when you cut the excess glue off. Fresh blade only when you're cutting the excess off. And the sun's out, so it's probably pretty set up by now. Now we're going to take the razor blade, flat razor. You're just going to cut at an angle, kind of tip a little bit there, angle a little bit, and we're going to cut off the excess. Slice it off. See that? Slice it right off. I don't know if you can see that or not. Extra, see that? So I scratch. So what's left to that little chip now would be, it's filled in. So now the moisture and air cannot get in there anymore. All done. Another way you can find out if it worked or not, it feels really smooth right here when I touch it with my finger. See, before when I touched it when it was fresh, it felt really rough, but now it feels smooth. There's no chip repair. Thanks for watching. Please like and share if you can. Peace from Blue Sharp 59. Start looking for motorcycles, by the way. See that? Alright guys, peace.